Okay, so I will be filming another video. This is going to be a hair tutorial. In my video that I recently posted, it was my what's in my bag video. A lot of people have asked me how I curl my hair because my hair is short, what I use, and that's pretty much it. I'm here to show you guys how I curl my hair. I'm excited to show you guys how I curl my hair. This is a curler that I use. And there is a clasp, however I do not use this at all, so I will show you guys how I do it. And this is from Hot Tools, and you can get this at Sally's. I used to work at Sally's, so this is where I got mine from. As you can see, super thin. So this is what I use to get my curls, and I will show you guys how I do that. The other products that you will need is a hair clip, some heat spray, and this is from Tresemme, and some hairspray, and this is also from Tresemme. So you will need those items. I have a mirror next to me, so if I'm looking this way, it's because I am looking at myself. But yeah, let's just get into it. First, I'm gonna take my heat protecting spray and just spray all over. Make sure you get every single part. Okay, and then go ahead and section it off. So I will be starting at the very bottom. Grab a small section from the bottom, and what I do is I take this and I just wrap it around. So I don't use the clasp at all. So this is how I basically transformed it into a wand. And I find it to work easiest for me this way rather than using the clasp. I really don't use the clasp. That's what it looks like. But I don't use a clasp anymore just because I find this just to be quicker and easier. So as you know, with the clasp, at the very end you will have like an indent. To avoid that, do it this way. This is how I would do it, and this is the only way I curl my hair. just made sure that I separated the curls with my fingers and not a brush. And just make sure you use hairspray. This is the one that I use, and it's by Tresemme, and it is the Strong Hold Extra Firm Control. And you just want to make sure that you are hairspraying your hair. This is my curly hair routine. Subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed.